Vietnam is calling. This enchanting country with its rich history and vibrant culture is a must-visit destination for any traveler. This Southeast Asian gem is perfect for budget travelers. With its affordable prices and diverse experiences, Vietnam offers an adventure like no other. From bustling cities to serene rice paddies, Vietnam offers something for everyone. Imagine wandering through the lively streets of Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City, where the energy is palpable and the sights are endless. The best part? You can experience it all without breaking the bank. Vietnam's affordability is legendary. Delicious street food, cheap accommodation, and a variety of budget-friendly activities make it an ideal destination for those looking to stretch their dollars. Efficient and inexpensive transport options like buses and trains make it easy to explore the country. Whether you're traveling from the north to the south or vice versa, getting around is a breeze. Whether you're on a shoestring budget or just love a good deal, Vietnam welcomes you with open arms. The friendly locals, vibrant markets, and mouth-watering cuisine will make you feel right at home. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Explore ancient temples that tell tales of a bygone era, hike through lush jungles teeming with wildlife, and discover the natural beauty that makes Vietnam so unique. And don't miss the chance to cruise breathtaking Halong Bay. With its emerald waters and towering limestone islands, it's a sight that will leave you in awe. Vietnam's magic awaits, ready to be discovered by you. Looking for an affordable place to rest your head? Vietnam has you covered. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a group of friends, you'll find a variety of options to suit your needs and budget. From bustling cities to serene countryside, there's a place for everyone. Hostels are plentiful and perfect for meeting fellow travelers. They often have common areas where you can relax, socialize, and share travel stories. Many hostels also organize activities like city tours, game nights, and pub crawls, making it easy to make new friends and explore the local scene together. Dorm rooms offer the cheapest rates, while private rooms provide more privacy. Dorms are great for budget-conscious travelers who don't mind sharing space, while private rooms are ideal for those who want a bit more comfort and seclusion. Some hostels even offer female-only dorms for added security and peace of mind. For a more local experience, try a homestay. Staying in a homestay allows you to live with a Vietnamese family and get a deeper understanding of their daily life and traditions. It's a unique opportunity to see Vietnam from a local's perspective, live with a Vietnamese family, and immerse yourself in their culture. You'll be welcomed with open arms and treated like a member of the family. This is a great way to practice your Vietnamese language skills and learn about customs and traditions that you might not encounter in a typical tourist setting. You'll enjoy home-cooked meals and learn about Vietnamese life firsthand. The food is often made from fresh local ingredients and prepared using traditional methods. Sharing meals with your host family is a wonderful way to bond and experience the rich culinary heritage of Vietnam. Prices vary, but expect to pay around $5 to $10 per night for a dorm bed in a hostel. This makes hostels an incredibly budget-friendly option for travelers looking to stretch their money further. Many hostels also offer additional amenities like free Wi-Fi, breakfast, and even airport transfers. Homestays can range from $10 to $20 per night, often including breakfast. This is a fantastic value considering the personal touch and cultural immersion you receive. Breakfasts typically feature traditional Vietnamese dishes, giving you a delicious start to your day. Whether you choose a hostel or a homestay, you're sure to have a memorable and enriching experience in Vietnam. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Vietnamese food is fresh, flavorful, and incredibly affordable. Street food is a must-try. Slurp down a bowl of pho, a savory noodle soup for breakfast, grab a banh mi, a crusty baguette filled with savory fillings for lunch. Don't forget to try fresh spring rolls and flavorful curries. Street food costs just a few dollars per meal. Local restaurants are also very affordable, with meals costing around $5 to $10. Vietnam is easy to navigate on a budget, offering a variety of transportation options that cater to different needs and preferences. Buses are the cheapest option for long distances. They are widely available and connect most cities and towns, making them a convenient choice for budget travelers. Trains offer a more comfortable ride, especially for overnight journeys. The sleeper trains are equipped with beds and amenities that make long trips more bearable, allowing you to rest and arrive at your destination refreshed. For shorter trips and exploring cities, consider renting a motorbike. This gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace and discover hidden gems that are off the beaten path. It's a fun and affordable way to see the country at your own pace. Riding through the scenic countryside or along the coastal roads can be an exhilarating experience. Bus tickets can cost as little as a few dollars for a short trip. They are easy to purchase at bus stations or even online, making it convenient for travelers. Train tickets vary depending on the class and distance. You can choose from different classes such as hard seat, soft seat and sleeper to suit your comfort and budget needs. Motorbike rental costs around $5 to $10 per day. It's a cost-effective way to get around, especially if you plan to stay in one place for a while and want to explore the local area in depth. Section 5. Free fun temples, markets and nature. Vietnam offers plenty of free activities for budget travelers. Visit ancient temples and pagodas, soak up the atmosphere at local markets and enjoy the country's natural beauty. Hike to waterfalls, relax on pristine beaches and explore national parks. Many museums also offer free admission on certain days of the week. Don't be afraid to wander and discover hidden gems. Some of the best experiences in Vietnam are free. Section 6. Essential apps and websites for the budget traveler. Planning your trip, these apps and websites will help you save money and travel like a pro. Grab Southeast Asia's version of Uber for affordable rides. Agoda and Booking.com find great deals on accommodation. Google Translate. Communicate with locals effortlessly. XE Currency, keep track of exchange rates. These tools will help you navigate Vietnam with ease and make the most of your budget. Section 7. Cultural etiquette, do's and don'ts. Vietnamese culture is rich and fascinating. Show respect by following these simple do's and don'ts. Dress modestly when visiting temples. Don't point your feet at people or religious objects. Learn a few basic Vietnamese phrases. Don't raise your voice or show anger in public. By being mindful of local customs, you'll have a more enriching and enjoyable experience. Section 8. Responsible travel. Making a difference. Traveling responsibly ensures that your trip benefits both you and the places you visit. Support local businesses by eating at family-run restaurants and buying souvenirs from local artisans. Bargain respectfully at markets, but remember that even small purchases can make a big difference to local vendors. Choose eco-friendly tour operators and minimize your environmental impact. By traveling responsibly, you can help preserve Vietnam's beauty and culture for future generations. Section 9. Embrace the adventure, the joys of budget travel in Vietnam. Traveling Vietnam on a budget is an adventure in itself. It's about embracing the unknown, connecting with locals, and discovering the true essence of a destination. You'll learn to be resourceful, adaptable, and appreciative of the simple things. The memories and experiences you gain will be priceless. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Vietnam on a budget.